Welcome to News Today. The headline is Governor Fubara explained why he said dogs are barking. The news in full. Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State explained why he said, quote, dogs are barking. Fubara finally broke his silence over the impeachment proceedings against him. By the State House of Assembly. However, the State House of Assembly raised alarm that there were quote, secret plots, end of quote, to procure court orders illegally to restrain the legislature from carrying out its constitutional responsibilities. The governor spoke at a church service to mark the 2026 Armed Forces Remembrance Day at St. Cyprian Anglican Church in Port Harcourt. Fubara called for calm. He assured Rivers people that everything will be fine. Similarly said he chose to remain silent all this while because in the face of distractions, he's certain that God Almighty is the fountain of his strength and faith in God. We see him through. The governor agreed that, quote, I said something that dogs bark when they don't understand. Now, see, I think a lot of you don't even understand, and that's the reason I don't shout, I don't complain, I know what I have. Quote, I know that I have what is supreme, and that is God Almighty. So, I want everyone to relax. What is important is peace for this dear state, and we will get it by the special name of God. End of quote. Professor Odu, the deputy governor, commended the attendees for their presence at the church service to mark the event. The professor said what the present Rivers State government need is prayers as the only way, the only pillar that has been sustaining the government all this while. Sally Emmanuel, reporting from my channel.